All right, time to get some steps now. Let's explore a bit of Canggu. We go for a walk now. It's the temperature is good. It's a little bit humid, but it's way better than in the afternoon because now it's 6:15, so almost sunset. Yeah, I believe the sunset will be like in 15 minutes. So as you see, I am staying there. That's my accommodation. Very nice place, and the gym is literally here. Okay, so it's called Body Factory. So my main priority was to stay right next to the gym, which I managed to do so I don't have any excuses nor resistance to do my workouts. It's here. Yeah, I see. Lifestyle residence, this is where I'm staying, and this is the gym. All right, let's walk. So my goal was to get to the beach and see the sunset, but I don't know if I'm gonna arrive on time because I had stuff to do in the flat and I lost a bit track of time. Anyway, we walk a bit, we explore, because it's been 2 days that I arrived. Today's my third day and I still didn't explore a lot because, as I told you, I didn't come here to walk around and to be a tourist. I came here for work purposes, for business. So, but anyway, we're gonna have time to explore. I'm gonna stay here almost 4 weeks, so I'm gonna have time. So I'm gonna stay until the 17th. So I'm gonna stay like 15 days in Canggu, and then I'll decide where I'm going. If I'm going to Seminyak, to Uluwatu, or to Perennanan. So these are different areas in Bali. As I know from my research, Canggu is the busiest area. So, and now it's getting quite packed. But to be honest, it's manageable. I thought it would be much worse. I thought there would be way more people. So it's still not that bad. I think we have like 500 meters to the beach, so let's keep going. So I guess I arrived a bit late. The sun has set for, I think, maybe 30 seconds ago. Anyway, I got to see where is it, and I'm way closer to the beach than I thought. It was literally maybe 5-minute walk. From the map I thought it was a little bit further away, but it's actually quite close, so which is good. But so I think tomorrow I'll come here a little bit earlier, a bit awesome. I think we can get here some good walks. So yeah, for sure tomorrow we'll come here. It's quite packed, but I'm sure in the morning it will have less people. So yeah, now let's head to the grocery store to buy some stuff so that you can see how you can still stay in shape while traveling. So let's go to Festive Supermarket, a different chain than I was before, to show you exactly what I'm gonna buy for the next couple of days. So let's do this. So I just ordered a taxi because apparently the supermarket that I want to go is 600 meters from here. But I thought it was like 5-minute walk, but no, because you need to go all around. There is a place there where you cannot turn, so I had to call a taxi because it would take me like 35 minutes to walk. So just going now to the supermarket, get some groceries. and hopefully the taxi will arrive soon because I called him already 2 minutes ago. And this ride will take me 50,000 Indian rupee, which is $3. Okay, so it's not that much. The currency here. Yeah, a lot of scooters now. The currency here makes me think that I'm going bankrupt. I literally went to the supermarket 2 days ago when I arrived, and I paid 2 million, and I was like, 2 million, oh my god, how much is this? Like, I was freaking out. But then I did a conversion, and it's like 400 dirham, which is like $110, which is not that much for the amount of things that I bought and the quality of the things that I bought as well. So anyway, let's see how much it will be today. I'm not gonna buy as much things as I did the other time. I'm just gonna buy a few things that I like to choose personally. Some of the things I like to order, like big waters and stuff, but there are things that I like to buy, such as grass-fed beef and Greek yogurt and these kind of things. So I think it arrived. Hello. Francisco? Yes, sir. Yeah, it's me. Yeah. There we go. All right.
How are you, bro?
Good, good. Thank you. Hey. I need to be stronger closing the door.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go. It's busy now.
Yeah.
It's to Festive Supermarket.
Yes, fresh tip.
Yeah. And here we are, Festive Supermarket, and it's actually good that I came by taxi because I was thinking of walking, and it's really far because it took like 10 minutes. Walking would be like 40 minutes, so let's see what we have. Okay, first impression is good, it's quite big. I mean, yeah, not compared to the ones in Dubai because I don't know, I think I have bad habits. Yeah, decent. Yeah, I'm used to the supermarkets in Portugal and in Dubai, and I don't know, here it feels like the choices are a little bit limited. The brands are different and you don't have as many choices, but anyway, let's see what we can get. So usually I would tell you to eat a lot of vegetables, which I always tell you that you should be eating vegetables, but not here. So call me paranoid, but here I'm not buying vegetables unless it's frozen because I don't want to wash them here. I want to minimize the exposure to the water. So yeah, I'm basically minimizing the amount of vegetables that I'm having, and I'm choosing mostly fruits that I need to peel. So I'm choosing lemons, I'm choosing kiwi as well, some oranges, avocados, but everything that I need to wash directly, I'm avoiding from here. And apparently you have here a lot of rice. So actually I feel like eating rice since I'm not having a lot of carbs. So maybe I'm gonna get some rice. This one, organic rice, organic. This is brown rice, basmati rice. Some good choice of eggs. These are the eggs that I got. No, not this one. This one. No, where is it? Where is the rosa? Still here. This one are good. Rosa. Yeah, good choice of eggs, rice, and good quality meat. We have. It's okay. I don't think I need anything from here. It's actually a good sign because a couple of years ago, if I see dog food, I was like, okay, I don't need to buy. But now every time I go to a supermarket and I see dog food or snacks, I think, should I buy? But not here. I don't need because my little dogs are not with me. They are in Dubai now. So let's go back to the vegetables, not to the vegetables, to the fruits, and see what we're gonna get, and to the meat as well. You know, so
Sorry, yeah?
If it's farmed or wild caught.
What? Maybe well.
Maybe, so you're not sure. So if you're not sure, it's not wild. Because wild is way more expensive than this. Okay. Thank you. Okay, that's why you always need to ask what are the sources of the food, because you want to make sure that you're getting. I mean, it's fine to eat sometimes salmon that it's not farmed, that it's not wild caught, but yeah, if you didn't know, probably it wasn't. So yeah, I'm gonna skip the salmon. I'm gonna stick to my steak, to my chicken, my tuna, and that's basically it. And finally back from the supermarket. It was a challenge, a lot of traffic now on the way back. That's why I'm not a big fan of always going to the supermarket. Sometimes I like to go to choose my own items. Like I like to choose my cottage cheese, I like to choose my steak, I like to choose the avocados. So there are certain things that I like to choose, but overall, like this took me basically 2 hours to buy a couple of things. So yeah, nowadays it's way better to optimize time, to optimize efficiency, to be more productive, just to order your stuff and get things going. This is what I've been noticing. Like in Dubai, I'm very productive because I barely go to the supermarket. I just order basically everything, so I don't go as much to the supermarket. Here I've been going because I like to explore the local products and see. I don't want just to order everything, so I prefer to check the products and get an idea of what are the things. So now I'm gonna show you what I have here. So what did I bring? Again, nothing new. More eggs, a lot of eggs, more. Brought 20 eggs, more bananas. I brought some coconut chips. I like this as a snack. It's a good one, good source of fats. Almonds. I prefer to eat almonds at night, usually 10 almonds with Greek yogurt, great to sleep. I brought some rice because I haven't been having a lot of carbs, so I feel like having some rice with my chicken breast or my steak. Then I brought some Greek yogurt, which actually a lot of Greek yogurt. I brought 3 packages of Greek yogurt. Here we go. Then I brought kefir. I was missing this one. This is great for digestive health. So these are the 2 things I would recommend for your digestive health, for your gut motility, for your gut and all these things, and for your immune system as well. Kefir and sauerkraut. So definitely get these 2. You can eat every day. Like I eat literally sauerkraut and kefir every day. Then some mixed berries with cranberries, sunflower seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and sliced almonds. Then I've got here more kefir. Then I've got some oats, carb loading. Exactly. Okay, so I'm planning to do some porridge, some overnight oats as well. I want to try something different. What do we have here? More cottage. No more. I didn't show you the cottage cheese. So we've got 2 packages of cottage cheese. I wasn't expecting to find cottage cheese here in Bali, to be honest, and I was quite surprised that I found this, and in a glass jar as well, the Greek yogurt in a glass jar, so it's good, and kefir. Chicken breast, 1 kilo of chicken breast, 3 steaks, grass-fed organic steaks from Australia. When it comes to, as you see, when it comes to food, like I like to keep it top, you know, like I don't buy, as I told you, I don't buy everything organic, but whatever I can, like I like to buy good chicken, good steak, good quality Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, nuts. So I try to buy, for example, this ghee that I have is grass-fed as well, so almost everything. So this one, I can't find organic eggs here, but this one apparently for my research are good as well. So there are a few things, as I mentioned numerous times, that you don't need to buy organic, such as bananas. I don't buy organic bananas, I don't buy organic nuts, I don't buy organic avocados. Okay, so these are avocados. I brought 4 avocados. They are not organic, and okay, there's a hole here. There is actually, I couldn't find organic avocados, but even if there were organic avocados, I wouldn't buy organic avocados here. Why? Because they have you have to peel them. So everything that has the that you need to peel, it's fine. So if you're gonna eat the skin, then you should eat organic. For example, berries, you should eat organic. And then I have here some oranges. So 3 oranges and 3 kiwis. So this one not organic as well, because I don't eat the skin from the orange and from the kiwi. So that's basically it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my grocery shopping of today. Kind of simple, but it gives you an idea on how I stay in shape, how you can make healthy choices. So you see, it's not too complicated. Protein, fats, some carbs, some things here for digestive health, but keeping it simple. With this, I spent, with all of this, I spent 1,500,000, not dollars, not dirham, but Indonesian rupee. So yes, this is scary. When I saw this, I thought, okay, 1 million and almost 600,000, how much is this? Then I did the math, and it's around 340 dirham, which is around $90, maybe, around that, I'm not quite sure. But it's around that, okay, for all these things. So I have literally food maybe for, I don't know, maybe 5 days or even more. I have a lot of eggs, like all quality food. So guys, your health is an investment. That's what I preach. What you put in your body literally will reflect in your mind, in your appearance, in your energy, in your sleep, in everything. So this is the best investment that you can make. So that's what I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this little afternoon with me. Nice walk in Canggu, watch the sunset, almost watch the sunset. Head to the supermarket, Festive supermarket. There is still one that I want to try, Pepito. But for today, that's what we have. Now let's prepare our dinner, which will be a chicken breast, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.